You want to know a great way to spot a novice trial attorney? Come join me for a moment as I share with you and expose to you how you can identify a novice trial attorney. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. If you have an opportunity to sit in on a trial, a civil trial in New York, I highly encourage you to do that. And while you're watching the trial, you will know immediately, after I tell you the tip, about how to spot a novice trial attorney. So let's say it's a medical malpractice case, and now the plaintiff's attorney, the attorney who represents the injured victim, has an opportunity to question the defense's medical expert. And now, while he's questioning the defense's medical expert, the doctor refuses to give the attorney just yes or no answers. And now the plaintiff's attorney is getting frustrated. He's getting upset. Why? Because the doctor is not answering his questions just yes or no. So now, after this goes on for a period of time, the plaintiff's attorney turns to the judge and says, "Judge, he's not answering my questions yes or no. Can you help? Can you tell him he's got to answer the questions yes or no?" That's the clearest sign that you're dealing or watching a novice trial attorney. Someone who does not know how to control the witness yet. Someone who does not know how to ask the questions properly yet. Someone who doesn't know how to deal with a difficult expert witness. Clearly, the expert has more experience in the courtroom and how to deal with these attorneys' questions than the attorney himself. You will find that novice young attorneys who are trying to do cross-examination of a medical expert are getting very frustrated. They cannot figure out how to control this witness, and the witness is not giving yes or no answers. Instead, he's giving long-winded explanations that's taking the thunder out of this attorney's cross-examination, and now the attorney has lost total control. The doctor is the one who has taken over, and now he's in charge of the cross-examination, which should never, ever happen. So let me share with you quickly how an attorney does, in fact, control a witness like that. You ask short, leading questions. And at the very beginning of my questioning, I will tell the doctor, listen, I'm going to be asking you a series of questions that only call for yes, no, or I don't know. Do you agree, doctor, that if you can answer yes, no, or I don't know, you are to do so? And if you cannot answer in any of those fashions, you are to tell me you can't answer my question. Okay? So now if the doctor starts playing word games and starts giving me long-winded explanations, I will stop him and say, "Doctor, you promised me a moment ago that you would answer the question yes, no, or I don't know. Well, is the answer yes? Is it no, or I don't know, or you can't answer? Which one is it?" And now I'll bring him back repeatedly, and if he continues to go ahead, start explaining away, I will control the witness by bringing him back to that promise that he made. And if you can't do that, now you've lost control. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what goes on during a trial here in the state of New York involving accident matters and medical malpractice matters and even wrongful death matters. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular problem. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.